This might be the best souvenir you can get from Seoul, South Korea. Instead of buying something random, you actually get to make your own jewelry. And it's made of real silver. Hey guys, so for today, we are going to do the Korean alphabet jewelry making workshop. Let's go! When you arrive, they will first ask you what you want to create, like a necklace, ring, or bracelet. Then you choose a word or name you want to turn into a design. The best part, it will be written in Hangul, or Korean characters. So your jewelry feels extra special and meaningful. And don't worry if you've never done this before. The instructor will guide you step by step. So it's super beginner friendly.
No, it's okay. It happened. It's fine. Nice. Wow.
You will learn how to shape the silver, connect the pieces through soldering, a basic metalworking technique, and slowly see your design come to life. After that, you clean and polish your piece until it finally shines.
Okay, so this time guys, ito naman yung pinaka-challenging. Yung mga edge na, yung pina-file natin. Kailangan natin kinisin yung mga kanto-kanto.
Yeah. Oh. You have a good understanding. Oh, that's good. Okay. It's so already pretty. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, it's good. Done.
What makes this even more special is that the studio uses handcrafted Hangul letter types in sterling silver. So these pieces can't be found anywhere on the market. And in the end, the Hangul jewelry you create in the workshop will be one-of-a-kind personal creation. This is not just a souvenir, but a perfect keepsake to remember your trip to Korea. And for me, that makes it way more special than anything you can buy. This Korean silver jewelry making activity includes professional instructor, silver-plated chain, real silver for 2 Hangul syllables, and these Korean snacks that I truly enjoyed. You can book this activity on Get Your Guide and you can use my code JELVILLA45 for a discount.